Now let me just say, it is summertime. You want the perfect honey blonde wig, then you gotta watch this video because BeautyForever did it with this one. Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thanks to BeautyForever for sponsoring this video. Let's see what's inside. What goodies, I'm super excited about this wig because it is a colored wig. Okay, so inside the bag you get a wig cap, edge band, and the wig. OMG, this is super long. So this is a 13x4 pre-everything lace wig, 24 inches. Are you kidding me? And this is colored wig. Okay, I am absolutely excited about this because it is beautiful. So it's like a honey blonde color. Let's open up, look at the lace, and then we're gonna get to installation. So it's pre-everything, so you definitely can wear this wig as glueless, even though it's a 13x4. Now this is how the wig is. This is the color. How beautiful is that? And this is the lace that we're working with, pre-everything. You guys see that shine? How shiny that wig is already, which means we might not need to add anything to it. You see that? So beautiful. I love the lace, and it actually have a party, and I think I'm gonna leave it on the side. And we're gonna get into it. We're gonna make this very easy. Even though it's a 13x4, it's a pre-everything wig. I love the texture of it, and I love that it is two-tone. Actually, I'm seeing 3 different blonde in this. I'm seeing a really dark brown, and I love that the roots is that honey blonde color, and then the highlights. So let's get into this. Now, we do have a drawstring on this wig, and this is something that any head size can wear. Once a wig have a drawstring, you can wear it, me can wear it, and everybody can wear it. Okay, all you gotta do is once it's on your head, you just pull it tight, pull it, put this down to secure it, and then there's an extra piece right here that you're gonna pull down so this part don't move, and then you're gonna tuck this underneath, so it should be seamless as this. And this makes the wig very easy. Now with the cap, it's the updated cap, which means it's gonna grip your head, and this is how it looks. I love that. Now, oh, you know what? Let's fit it on. Let me put on the cap, and let's fit this on first. So with my wig caps, I like to add foundation to it, just to make sure it blends in, because most time I do a glueless install, or I don't cut the cap, because I make my life super easy when I'm doing these wigs. And that's what I like, especially when you have a drawstring and a pre-everything wig. It is super easy for you, so you can buy the wig, you can purchase the wig, and just do it yourself. Now let me make sure. What I do is put the cap on and make sure I pull back all my hair so nothing is on it, and I like to pull the cap back. Once I do that, I will apply makeup. So I'm gonna grab a brush, and I'm gonna put makeup all over. Now let's go in. I'm just gonna use powder to apply that on. Are you guys seeing that? This fit my head so well. I don't have to do much to this wig. Yes, I think I'm gonna leave it with the side part because I really like that. So what you could do is there's tabs on it where if you really want a glueless install, you could put the tabs on. Make sure it is secure to your liking, and that should be it. So this is how it looks. I'm definitely gonna go in. I just wanted to see how it looked in the meantime, but we're gonna go in and style the wig. So stick around. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. Alright guys, so the wig is gonna be wet, and I'm gonna leave it to self dry, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys. Now you guys saw that I didn't have to wet the wig down, but I need a little bit more, and because I have time, I'm gonna leave this for at least an hour, and then I have to come back. Now let me tell you something. Once you have like a water wave curl and you add products or water to it, make sure you scrunch it up back, okay? It helps to form those beautiful curls, and they're gonna be locked in. So that's exactly what I'm doing right here. I'm just forming back my curls, so once it is dry, it's gonna look super nice. So with that being said, I will be back. So this is how it looks while it is wet. I will be back once it is completely dry, and I want it to have a natural effect, so I want this side to just have mousse to it. Now I'll see you back in an hour or an hour and a half. I'm gonna do stuff around the house and I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back, and it has been 2 hours. Now because my hair was so wet, it is not completely dry. I am gonna use the blow dryer because I have to wrap this up. Now you guys are seeing that the curl is formed and it's more uniform, and that's what I was going for, hence why we added. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Come on, BeautyForever, step to the front, because what's going on? Beautiful, feels good. You see the texture of this hair? Yes, just get the wig. You have to get this wig. Anyway guys, it's a wrap for this hair, this unit. I did not do much. As you guys can see, it is in a side part, and this is how it came. Now if you're a person who don't like your side part, don't worry, because you can make it into a middle part, okay? And you can style to your liking. Doesn't have to be my liking, but I recommend you guys trying this. If you're looking for something real simple, real easy, then this wig is made for you, because it came this way. All you have to do is install it. Now if you want to go ahead and wet the hair, that's perfectly fine. If I had no time, trust me, I would install it, because the curl pattern were amazing. Okay, now with that being said, the color, the sheen, the shine that is coming from this wig is everything. It is 24 inches. You can opt in for the same length, or you can go on the direct link that I will provide in the description box. If you want to go shorter, that's perfectly fine. Now this is it. Now I will have a coupon code for you guys, so you guys can check the link in the description. It's gonna say direct link, and you get the same exact wig, because I made it super easy for y'all. Now tell me this color is not giving. It is full. It looks amazing. Of course I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see, because who wouldn't? Now this is the wig full backward, and oh, I can just run my hand through this wig so well. Are you guys seeing this? Now this is how it looks, and it is amazing. It is super full. It feels good. Even though it's 24 inches, it is very soft. This curl is soft, and I love that, because the wig is long. We need something that we can manage, okay? Now BeautyForever did this one, and I'm absolutely in love. It's 13 by 4, so it's giving scalp. Are you guys seeing this? It's giving scalp, okay? It looks real natural, look like my hair, and I like it. Now I love how it fits on my head, and that was a big thing for me. But don't worry, because the drawstring in the back, you will not see anything. Let's take a look. Look at this. You are not seeing anything. This is the strap. If it's coming out, all you gotta do is make sure you tuck it under. Now when you're getting this wig, you are gonna love the drawstring, because I do. Now this is it, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was real simple, real easy. I love the color. I feel like going out. My anniversary is around the corner, and this is gonna be her, okay? We need blonde. blonde for that anniversary, so I really like this. Make sure you check out BeautyForever, and thanks to BeautyForever for sponsoring this video once more. I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.